In this video, I will be explaining how to set up your 132 method as well as the things that I have discovered. So let's jump right into it. The way you want to set up your workout is by taking the previous hit and apply it under your 132 method. The way I did it is by using the first 3 digits in the previous pick 4 hit. Feel free to set up 2 workouts with pick 3 and 4. After you have that set up, you will then add 132 to the previous hit. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. You will put 3 underneath 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. You would then put 5 underneath 2. And then 9 plus 2 equals 1. And you would put that underneath 9. Also, you guys, the numbers that I just mentioned, you will continue to add those last digits to the 132 method. Here's an example. And also, you guys, your last set of digits in your 132 workout should be the same as the top number under 132. The reason why is because it will let you know if you have added something in your workout. What I noticed when I was looking for the day track hit off of 799 is that it told where those next digits was going to be located at because of the date sum, as well as which row you should be looking in because of where that digit was found. When looking for your first pick 3 digits off of a previous pick 4 hit, you want to use its mirror digit to locate it. Then use the regular digit of your mirror digit twice to find the last 2 digits. The pattern for that will be mirror, regular, regular. You will do the same for the pick 3 to find your pick 4 digits, but you will have to use its regular digits and mirror digits twice to find your pick 4 hit. So the pattern for that will be regular, mirror, mirror, regular. I also discovered on the 132 method is that it went in a pattern of down and up in the workout. And also keep in mind, you guys, that if your mirror or regular digits are on the outside left and the outside right, your winning digits will be inside off of that. Here's an example off of 799. I also discovered in this method that the top of your numbers in the beginning of your workout represents the bottom of your numbers in your workout whenever your first date sum digit is your mirror digit, and that the bottom of your numbers represents the top of your numbers in your workout whenever the date sum digit is the regular digit. So whatever date sum shows first in your workout, you will know if it's your bottom or top number. Always use it in this order. And also, for a note, you guys, never use the 132 method to circle your date sum when one of those digits are part of your date sum. The reason why is because it can throw off the pattern of the regular and mirror digit flow, row, and location when looking for your hit. I also discovered that your traveling numbers close by your date sum are your hit digits. So when you see it going up or down towards both of your date sum digits, make sure to choose that number to play in your set of numbers. It's much different than the plus minus plus workout, so keep an eye on the traveling numbers. While going off of 229, I noticed something new that the 132 method is doing. Now, everything still applies. This is just extra information that you guys should know so you can apply it while testing these strategies. What I've noticed is whatever your evening hit was, you will use the day of date sum to find the daytime hit. And whatever hit in that day, you will use the previous day date sum to find your evening hit. So for an example, for February the 22nd evening hit, you will use February the 23rd date sum, and for your February 23rd day hit, you will use your February the 21st date sum. So it's going day to previous day to find your day and evening hit. I also want to show you guys a new way you can set up the 132 method as your workout. The way you would set it up is in rows of 3s. So here's an example. And also, you guys, with the 132 method, you can use your hit sum as your date sum, and you just do that by adding up the previous day hit and using the last digit. Now off 229, I'm noticing that the date sum, hit sum, and recent day date sum are finding the previous day's hit. When I see stuff like that, it's a strong indication to me that a quad or another trip is coming very soon. The only quads and trips that did not hit none last year was quad 9s and trip 9s. The last time quad 9s hit in NC was April the 17th, 2011, and that was for the evening time. And trip 9s March the 1st, 2017, and that was daytime. Trip 9s and quad 9s are way overdue. So if you guys are going to play any numbers, make sure to include quad nines, and trip nines. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys a never seen cash 5 method that will have everyone wanting to give it a try. And we only have 5 days left before the lucky March 1st winner is chosen. So for now, study the video and feel free to comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.